Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a cover page in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. A cover page helps make your document look more professional and organized. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Make sure the document you want to edit is already open, or create a new document if needed. Next, go to the Insert tab located on the top dashboard of Microsoft Word. Then, look for the Cover Page option in the Pages section of the Insert tab. Click on it to open a gallery of built-in cover page designs available in Microsoft Word. After that, browse through the list and choose the cover page design that best matches your document. Microsoft Word provides different styles that can be used for academic, business, or personal documents. You can then edit the text fields by clicking on them. Replace the sample text with your own title, subtitle, author name, date, or any other information you want to display. You can also customize fonts, colors, and formatting to match your document's style and requirements. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it